Tired of editing marketing videos one by one? What if one single product photo could turn into a whole batch of stylized ads?
I literally can't move in this heat.
Yeah, I'm completely done.
Then you two are gonna need this.
Oh, that's exactly what I needed.
Okay, I'm alive again.
Limone, your bright little reset.
With CapCut PC and Seedance 2.0, you can batch generate and stylize footage effortlessly. No camera, no crew, no expensive shot. Just one photo, a few short words, and you get back a whole set of fresh ad clips, ready to post on social. Today I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step on your PC. And trust me, once you see how fast this AI video generator is, you won't want to go back to the old way. Welcome back guys, today I'm using CapCut on PC and it has two powerful AI tools built right here. There's GPT 2.0 for images and Seedance 2.0 for video. Together they let you take one product photo and build short eye-catching marketing videos around it in minutes. And the best part, you do all of it in one simple workspace, seamlessly moving from generation to multi-track editing. Let's be honest, the old way of making ads is slow and expensive. You book a shot, hire a crew, rent a space and wait days for the result. For a small business that's a lot of money and a lot of time. With CapCut PC you skip all of that. One photo, a few words and you can batch create assets. It's beginner friendly, it's fast and compared to a real shot it drastically lowers your production costs. So if you run a small shop, you sell online or you're a creator who wants fresh content without the cost, this is for you. You shoot your product once and then you reuse that single photo all year in as many styles as you like. First, let's get the PC version because that's where everything comes together for bulk production. Head to CapCut.com and up in the top right corner you'll see a button that says download for desktop. Click it, install the app and open it up. I'm using desktop app on purpose. A bigger screen, a better quality and you can create a whole batch of stylized videos in one setting. Once it's open, we dive straight into the AI image and AI video tools. Honestly, this is my favorite part. It doesn't drop you into a confusing process. Instead, you get a clear, relaxed space where you can plan, generate, compare, and adjust everything efficiently. For a beginner, that's a game changer. You are not learning 100 buttons, you just start with your idea. Let's begin. Add an image of my product. This is Limone, a natural lemonade straight into the workspace. That one photo is going to be the base for everything we make today. And if you don't even have a product photo yet, no worries, you can batch generate them from scratch with GPT Image 2.0 right here. Now I've uploaded my photo, but let's say I'm not fully happy with it. Maybe I want it to look a little more premium. No problem, with GPT 2.0 I can improve it right here, before I do anything else. I just describe what I want with a short prompt. Something like, make the Limone bottle look more premium, brighter studio light, crisp condensation, clean soft background. A few seconds later I've got a cleaner, better looking product shot, and that's become a base for all my ads. Here's something I really like, you're not limited to just text and photo. You can also drop in links, even short video clips to use it as reference for your AI video generation. So if you already have a certain style in mind, a sample scene or a look you want to match, you can feed that in too and guide the result. It's flexible and it understands what you give it. Now here's the simple rhythm and it's the same for every ad. I type a short line describing what I want and I send it. Before it generates anything, CapCut prepares a layout for the clip and that plan is fully editable. I can change the duration, the aspect ratio, the music and more. Then I hit start generation and it brings the clip to life. And even after that, if something's not perfect, I can still adjust it. Let me show you exactly what I mean across 3 different ads to show how you can batch stylized footage. And in each one, I will change something different, so you can see how much control you have. For the first ad, I go summary. My prompt is super short, just Limone bottle on a sunny beach, soft light, fresh feel. Now, before I generate in the video prompt, I make one change. Set the format to vertical, 9:16, so it fits perfectly on Reels and TikTok. I could shorten the duration right here too, if I wanted a quicker clip. Then I hit start generation, powered by Seedance 2.0. And look at this, bright, fresh colors, warm light and an instant summer feel. From a single photo, that's a clean, scroll-stopping result. For the second, I want something active and energetic. The prompt again nice and short. Limone bottle, courtside, bright daylight, fresh and crisp. This time in the plan I swapped the music for something more upbeat to match the sporty energy. Then I generate. It came out sharp and full of life. But let's say I want the camera to move a little differently. No problem, I don't start over, I just ask for a different angle. And it regenerates the clip in seconds. Same bottle, a brand new mood and exactly the shot I had in mind. And for the third I go for that real authentic everyday look that does so well on social. My prompt, handheld phone style clip. Limone bottle in a casual moment, natural light. I generated. And it feels genuinely like something a real customer will post on their own. Now let's say the background sound isn't quite right. I just tell it to adjust the street sound or add a little background music. And it hands me a fresh version in seconds. No menus, no settings to dig through, I just say what I want. That natural, relatable style is exactly what social ads love right now, and it came out great. Now I've got a batch of different stylized clips. Generating them was simple, and when I want to combine them in one video, CapCut makes that just as easy with a feature I really love, multi-track editing. Honestly, it makes my work much easier. The idea is simple, you stack your clips on separate tracks, one above the other, so you can line them up, trim them, and arrange them exactly the way you want. And because everything sits on its own track, I can layer music on one, text or logo on another, and keep it all perfectly synced. So I take my beach clip, my tennis clip, and my UGC clip and combine them into one smooth ad that fits my goal. Full control in just a few minutes. And once I'm happy with the edit, I just hit export. That's it, my video is done and it's ready to post right to social media. That's how you use CapCut PC multi-track editing and Seedance 2.0 to batch create stylized marketing video effortlessly. What used to take days now take minutes, saving your time and budget. And before we wrap up, great news! Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini launches on June 15, delivering 2x faster generation with comparable quality to 2.0 fast. Don't miss the limited time offer of 33% fewer credits to generate batch creatives for less and edit them right on CapCut PC. Download CapCut PC now to boost your video creation workflow. Click my link in the description to try it out and explore a faster AI video workflow for your marketing content. Go give it a shot and make your first ad today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If this helped you out, drop a like. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below. I read them and I'm happy to help. And subscribe for more simple AI tips like this one. I'll catch you in the next video.